There's an unwritten rule we all learn as kids. They tell us, don't stand out and never ever look like a fool. But what if the real madness is spending your whole life trying to be just like everyone else? An old story from Rumi explores this whole idea, and it's about a clown in a small town who shocks everyone by marrying a prostitute. One day, a respected town elder pulls the clown aside and asks, "Why on earth did you marry her? A woman they all call impure? I could have found you someone respectable, someone clean." The clown pauses, then looks him in the eye. "I already done that," he says. "I married women who looked perfect on the outside, and one by one I watched them rot from the inside. This time, I started with someone the world called rotten, just to see if she could become pure." Rumi didn't tell this story just to surprise us. He told it to make us question the very definition of good and bad that have been passed down to us. What we call intellect is often just a set of rules society forced into us since childhood. It pulls us away from our natural innocent selves, the raw free state we are born into, and replace it with constructed identity called me. And then I'm required to carry that identity around just to be accepted. Society hands us a manual, how to survive in the wild world, how to stay one step ahead, how to take before someone else does. To be accepted, even just a little, we taught to wear a mask, so heavy it hides what we really feel. Rumi once called the system what it truly is, a man-eating machine, what we centuries later would come to know as the Matrix. And that's where the story returns. In the tale, the clown's 9 former partners represent a certain kind of reasoning, clever, adaptive, strategic, the kind of mind that changes its colors to match the surrounding, that rides the wave of society just to stay liked, praised, and rewarded. But the clown, he represents the seeker, the one who has tested this kind of intellect and seen its futility, its falsehood, its hidden impurity. So he turns toward a different kind of mind, one that doesn't pretend, one that doesn't crave praise, one that doesn't need to be right or look holy. A mind that isn't obsessed with the society approval. That's why the mystic in the story lets go of the woman wrapped in the shiny illusion of virtue, and instead choose the one society openly condemns. Not because she is perfect, but because the choice itself is honest. And when society sees this, they call him mad. After all, who in the system built on image and illusion would make such a choice? And that exactly is the point. In society's official language, truth often looks like madness. So here's the question. In your own life, when it comes to love, friendship, or even the way you choose to live, would you make the choice society tells you is right? Or the one your own heart choose, even if the world disapproves? Think about it. If you enjoyed this, subscribe. There's more to come.